Hey there, I am going to show you how to make a little birdie. Here's a red birdie with a little hat and scarf. Here's a blue bird with another little hat and scarf. Alright, so first you want to figure out where you want to make your bird. And you want to start with the tail, come up, around, down, flare it out. Go ahead and round this guy off, kind of make a petal there, kind of a up and around there. Go ahead and make a little line like that. Then go to the top of your bird. You want him to have a little hat, so draw a line. Kind of square it off. Erase those overlapping lines. And then you kind of want to draw, whoops, draw his little cap there. Erase those overlapping lines. Want it to kind of alright, when you're happy with it, give it a little poof ball on top. Erase the overlapping lines. Goodbye. There it goes. Alright, then you want to give him an eye. And inside his eye, you know what, I really prefer happy eyes, so do just a little rainbow line there. If you don't want to do a happy eye, you could just put a circle in the middle and shade it around. It's totally up to you. And then I'm going to give him a little beak with a line in the middle of his beak. Oh, that kind of looks like he's frowning. I kind of want it to look more smiley. More smiley. There we go. Alright. Okay. Now I want to put a little scarf on him, so I want to go ahead and draw a line. Kind of want that line to kind of go up and around. And then I want to erase those overlapping lines. Goodbye, overlapping lines. Alright, coming down from the scarf, I want it to look like it's tied on the other side, and I can't see it tied. So here's one side of the scarf, another one, and I'm going to put the little frills on the end of the scarf with my crayon when I color it. Now I want the bird to have a nice little wing there. Some lines here for the wings. Then I want my bird to have some legs. So I'm going to draw 4 lines, 2 together for one leg, 2 together for another leg. On the bottom, I'm going to put 3 points. Alright, when I'm happy with my bird, I'm going to go ahead and take my dark colored crayon or marker, and I'm going to go over all of the lines. There's no right or wrong. Alright. Then I'm going to take my eraser. I'm going to get rid of all those pencil lines all over my bird so I don't see the pencil lines. And then I'm going to add some color. Abracadabra, poof this up. And there you go, boys and girls. You can make him a bigger bird, a smaller bird. He's totally your bird. You can make him a blue bird, a red bird. Have fun with it. Thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate it, guys.